How to stop strangers from sending you files and pictures via QuickShare or Nearby Share on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the Home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the Settings icon. Next, scroll down, then tap on Connected Devices. In here, tap on QuickShare. Then go down to the Nearby Sharing section and tap on Who Can Share With You. In here, select No One, and then tap on Done. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the Home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. From now on, no one will be able to send you random files or pictures. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.